Welcome to Grade 2 Fireless cooking event.
At the Chariya schooling Mola Kulam today, we celebrate learning in a tasty way. No fire, no flame, but skills so bright. Flameless cooking fills us with delight. Mix it, make it healthy and fun. Learning and cooking go hand in one. Eat smart, eat fresh, hip hip hooray. At Chariya, kids lead the way. Bread sandwich stacked with care. Fruit salad colors everywhere. Makana sprouts and veggie delight. Healthy food shining bright. Mix it, make it healthy and fun. Learning and cooking go hand in one. Eat smart, eat fresh, hip hip hooray. At Chariya, kids lead the way. Chapati rolls wrapped neat and tight. Peanut salad, crunchy bite. Crispy salad, fresh and cool. Cooking skills become our rule. Chocolate sandwich, sweet and neat. Learning fun with every treat. Teamwork, smiles and creativity. Building life skills happily. Mix it, make it proud and strong. Healthy habits all lifelong. At Chariya while schooling proudly say, Flameless cooking day, hoor!